Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video today on my motorcycle sleep gear system and also my hiking sleep system. This is my SW Motec tent bag. It goes on the top of my dry bag on my motorcycle and also goes on the top of my backpack for when I'm hiking. Everything related to sleep system goes in here, and also below I've got my woolly blanket and my 2 tent pegs. So I'll just show you quickly what's inside here. So below, bivvy bag, washing line, snug pack jungle blanket, thermo-est sleep pad, sleeping bag, ground sheet and tent and tent poles. And that's pretty much everything. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly put everything together and show you one of the loadouts that I use based on these. A bit, so I had to stop and wait for that to calm down. It's springtime here, so weather is quite changeable. This is my little lean-to. I usually just find some sticks around the place, and you can see my walking sticks with the washing line tethered between it. This tarpaulin doesn't have very many grommet holes in it, so it's a bit loose. Often I'll use my DD tarp, which has got a lot more mounting points on it. You can see here, there's my snug black jungle blanket. Don't really need it this time of year, but carry it anyway just in case the night gets cold. Here is my bivvy bag and the tent, and I also inflated my thermo-est X-Therm. So, and I use my woolly blanket as the pillow here. Saved me inflating the other pillow. On a colder night I'd probably put it inside the bivvy bag. And that is really all it is for a sleep system. I didn't use the tent. I can do. Everything just goes inside it. This usually forms the floor of the tent, and that's really about it. Being springtime, it's starting to get quite warm, and I'll pare this back. For example, I might stop using the bivvy bag if it's going to be a really dry night and just use the jungle blanket, or I might not even bother with the sleeping bag if I'm just on the thermorestin inside the bivy bag. So lots of different combinations, and if it really did get cold, I can always just wrap the blanket around everything. I do like to use the jungle blanket as an extra ground layer as well. Probably in a more colder climate it would make sense, but it's just habit, and it folds up nicely, seals up, and usually I can get my little chair out and just sit beside it, and away I go. And that's it for Sleep System 101.